Hello and welcome to Smooth Barbecue. Time for some pork chops, veggies on the Q1200. Okay, so the grill is heating up and I'm preparing to season my pork chops with smoky mesquite from Weber, and then I've got some garlic oil that I'm gonna wipe them down with. So seasoning them on one side, putting them on the grill, and then lathering them with a little bit of oil, and then just seasoning it on the other side. Time for the veggies. I've got mushrooms, onions, and some broccoli. A little bit of oil, just getting it on there. And then I'm going to season that with Tango Verde from Tango Spice Company. It's going to be a really good combination. So the grill is running at about 175 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. And after about 4 or 5 minutes, it was time to flip them. And I flipped everything over, lid on, and then it was time to tempt them. I want them to be over 165 and they were about 170, so that's good. Putting them to the side, time for taste test. There we go, some Q1200 pork chops at the Getaway. That mesquite seasoning is really good. Gonna try one of those. Or actually, I'll have a piece of onion and mushroom with Tango Verde as well. That's really good. I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.